What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can change margins in Google Docs. So you might be working on documents and you want to adjust the margin settings. So here are two ways to do that. So the first thing you must ensure is that you can view your ruler settings. You can see the ruler settings here. If you can't view your ruler settings, go to the menu bar, click on view, and then tick this show ruler. Your ruler will be displayed here. So now that we have our ruler displayed, we can put our cursor anywhere on this document and then come to this blue this blue line. This is left indent. We have left indent and we have right indent, right margin. So let's start with this left indent. So what you have to do is to bring your cursor here. You can see there is an arrow now, so drag it to the position you would like. Let's stop here and see how it goes. So you can see that this margin settings has changed. You can see that it has moved from where it was to another position, and this applies to all the pages in this document. So let's undo that. So let's try right margin. So what you have to do is to come here to and then adjust. We have to ensure that you see this arrow before you drag the ruler. So now you can drag the ruler and you can see this. So this is the right margin. Let me undo this. So now we have left and right margin. What if you want to adjust the margin settings for this top section? So what you have to do is to come to this menu bar, click on file, click on file, okay, and then come to page setup. So here you can adjust the numbers. Here for top you can change it to 1, and for bottom you can change it to, let's say, 1 2. So when you are done, you can click on OK, and if you want to have a particular margin settings as a default settings, you can just set as default. But now we will just click on OK, and you will see that this top margin has been adjusted. So a quick recap of what we did here. So the first thing is to look out for the ruler. If you can view the ruler, you are fine, you can go ahead. But if not, come to view, click on view, and then show ruler. And if you want to adjust the top and lower section, lower margin, you have to do that manually. You can come to file and then page setup, and that's how to adjust margin settings in Google Documents. I hope you like this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.